Let us continue atomic structure. In the atomic structure, we will see energy of electron. Energy of electron we will take. In the energy of electron, we can use the formula Niels Bohr model. Then we will see hydrogen spectrum. In the hydrogen spectrum, hydrogen lamp we are taking. In the hydrogen lamp, hydrogen gas is there. Hydrogen gas contains hydrogen molecules. Now we will take one molecule. It is one molecule. For this atom nucleus we will write. For this atom nucleus we will write. Then electron cloud of both. For this electron cloud. Then for this electron cloud. Now here overlapping takes place. Overlapping takes place. Due to overlapping, bond is produced. Here overlapping takes place between these two atoms. Therefore a bond is produced, we can say. Now here bond dissociation energy is equal to how much in the sense 436 kilojoule per mole. Bond dissociation energy is 436 kilojoule per mole. What is the meaning of this one? This meaning is what? 1 mole of hydrogen molecules. 1 mole of hydrogen molecules require minimum 436 kilojoule of energy to dissociate into atoms. It is the meaning of a bond dissociation energy. So if you supply this much energy, if you supply 436 kilojoule of energy, then 1 mole of hydrogen molecules convert into atoms. This is the minimum energy required. That means to break the bond. To break bonds in 1 mole of molecules, so and so energy is required. So now let us consider bond dissociation energy. Bond dissociation energy of a hydrogen molecule is x electron volt per atom. Like this we will take x electron volt per atom. X electron volt per molecule we will say, because hydrogen existing in the form of molecule. X electron volt per molecule. Like this we will take. Now we will give to this quantum, we will give to this we are giving quantum. That quantum is having energy how much in the sense x minus y electron volt per molecule. Okay, so we are giving the quantum. This quantum is having how much energy means x minus y electron volt per molecule. This quantum is given to this molecule. Now you say whether this energy is enough to separate this electron cloud this side and this electron cloud this side, such that hydrogen atoms can be produced. It is one hydrogen atom and it is another hydrogen atom. It is another hydrogen atom. They are electron clouds taken by themselves. This electron cloud come to this side. This electron cloud come to this side. Now hydrogen molecule we have taken. This bond dissociation energy, let us take x electron volt per molecule. That means per molecule means for one molecule. We are giving quantum. The quantum is having energy how much means x minus y electron volt per molecule. Quantum is having how much energy means x minus y electron volt per molecule. This quantum we will give to this one. Now is it sufficient energy to convert, to make their electron clouds to go to their own places? You are saying that it is not possible. That means this molecule is not dissociating into atoms. So now we are saying that this molecule is not dissociating into atoms, we are saying. So now we will take a bond dissociation energy is x electron volt per molecule. Now we will give the quantum. This quantum is having how much energy means x electron volt per molecule. Now this quantum is supplied to this molecule. This molecule is taking this energy. Now you say that this energy is supplied. Therefore, this electron cloud going to its own atom. This electron cloud is going to its own atom. Therefore, we are getting hydrogen atoms. Is it possible? Now, this quantum, is it sufficient to dissociate this molecule into respective atoms? Shall we say? That means in this overlapped electron cloud is there? No. It's this atom takes back its own electron cloud. This atom takes back its own electron cloud. Then we are getting atoms, we can say. So you are saying that this quantum energy is sufficient to dissociate hydrogen molecule into hydrogen atoms. So now this X electron volt we supplied, is it completely utilized for dissociating the molecule into atoms, or any energy remaining? What do you say? Now we supplied quantum. That quantum is having X electron volt. That quantum is completely utilized for dissociating molecule into atoms. Otherwise, something is remaining. What shall we say? Now in this quantum, the X electron volt is there. It is completely utilized for dissociating molecule into atoms. Sir, okay. Now we will supply now we will give X plus Y electron volt. Now we will give the quantum that is having X plus Y electron volt. Energy of quantum is X plus Y electron volt per molecule. This is supplied. So due to this, this molecule is dissociating into atoms. Now you say that in this quantum, how much energy is utilized to dissociate and how much energy is remaining? How much energy is remaining? Sorry. Before going to that, we will see here. Now we supplied X quantum. Here we supplied how much quantum? In the sense X quantum we supplied. That means we have supplied quantum that is having energy X electron volt per molecule. So X electron volt energy we supplied. Okay. Here better we can say, instead of molecule, here we have to say quantum. We have to say, okay, one quantum is having X electron volt. Like this we have to say. Correct. So energy of quantum is X electron volt. Energy. This meaning is one quantum is having energy X electron volt. That is the meaning. Okay. So we are supplying X electron volt. This quantum is having X electron volt that we supplied this molecule dissociating into atoms. Okay. So in this quantum, the energy is utilized completely for dissociating. No energy is remaining. Now you say this is hydrogen atom. It is having one electron. This electron is in which level? This electron is in which level? This electron is in which level? Now you supply bond dissociation energy. How much means? X electron volt per molecule. You are giving quantum to this molecule. This quantum is having how much energy? Means X electron volt. This energy is utilized to dissociate the bond. Therefore you got atoms. You got atoms. In this atom one electron is there. Now this electron, in this atom one electron is there. This electron is in which level? That means is it in first orbit or second orbit or third orbit or infinity orbit? Which? So you are saying ground state. That means n is equal to 1. Here also n is equal to 1. Now let us supply the quantum. That quantum is having how much energy? Means X plus Y electron volt. So now we have supplied a quantum. That quantum is having how much energy? In the sense X plus Y electron volt. So X plus Y electron volt is given. The molecule is dissociating and converting into atoms. Now you say, in this quantum, is there any energy remaining after dissociation? Okay, this molecule absorbed quantum. In this quantum energy is utilized for dissociating the molecule into atoms. After dissociation, will there be any remaining energy from this absorbed? Is there any remaining energy from this absorbed? Is there any remaining energy from this observed? Now remaining energy is there. So this and that remaining energy is with the atoms. So in this observed, some energy is there, some energy remaining. That remaining energy is with these atoms. With these atoms, that remaining energy is there. That means that remaining energy is with these electrons. Now you say this atom is having one electron. Similarly, this. Now this electron is in which level? Is in which level, shall we say? Is it n is equal to 1 or greater than 1 or n is equal to infinity or a particular n value? Particular n value. Particular n value that we can say. What shall we say? Now this electron is having remaining energy. Okay. So we can say n is greater than 1. So n is greater than 1 means which level can we say n is greater than 1? We are saying it is correct because this y electron volt is there. This y electron volt remaining energy is there. Therefore, n is greater than 1. N is greater than 1 means 2 possible, 3 possible, 4 possible, 5 possible. Like this up to what? Infinity possible. Infinity possible. Sir. Now, the molecule dissociated into atoms, so we got atoms. Next, these atoms absorbing quantum. These atoms absorbing quantum. These atoms absorbing quantum means they are electrons absorbing quantum. So this electron is absorbing quantum means that electron will go to higher energy level. That electron will go to excitation. Therefore, excitation is possible, sir. So now we are taking a hydrogen lamp. We are taking in the hydrogen lamp, hydrogen gas is there. In the hydrogen lamp, hydrogen gas is present. Hydrogen gas consists of hydrogen molecules. Hydrogen gas consists of hydrogen molecules. Hydrogen molecules absorbing quanta from current. We are supplying current, from that it is absorbing quanta. Therefore, it is converting into hydrogen atoms. Converting into hydrogen atoms. Now, these hydrogen atoms absorbing quanta because we are supplying energy, we are supplying current. So since they are absorbing quanta, they are going to a higher energy level. Now, higher energy levels. They are going to higher energy levels. This process is called a excitation. Now, you say that in this excitation, higher energy level means now hydrogen lamp contains hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas contains how many molecules? Can we say one molecule? No, we cannot say one molecule. We can say many number of molecules only we can say. So hydrogen gas contains many number of molecules. They are converting into atoms. So many number of atoms are there. Those atoms, in those atoms, electrons absorbing quanta, they are absorbing quanta in the sense they will go to higher energy levels. Set. Now they are absorbing quanta in the sense, do we say that all the electrons absorb exactly one quantum only? That we cannot say. So different electrons will absorb different number of quanta and go to different higher energy levels. Now you say in this excitation, electrons present in higher energy levels. Which higher energy level? Which higher energy level do you say? Do you say in a singular or do you say in a plural? That means electrons present in different higher energy levels, do you say? Electrons present in different higher energy levels, do you say? Or all the electrons present in particular higher energy level, do you say? What do you say? Now electrons present in higher energy level because of excitation. Now in this place, shall we say electrons present in different energy levels, different higher energy levels, or shall we say electrons present in particular higher energy level, shall we say? What shall we say in this case? Okay, so electrons present in a different higher energy levels, that we got an idea. Electrons present in different higher energy levels. Now we will take the energy levels. First we will take n is equal to 1. some electrons may present in n is equal to 1. Some electrons may present in n is equal to 1 first level. That means some of the atoms might not have got any quanta. Therefore, those electrons present in first level possible. Then some of the electrons might be in second level. Some of the electrons might be in second level. Then some of the electrons might be in third level. Third level, some of the electrons might be there. Some of the electrons might be in fourth level. Fourth level, some of the electrons might be there. Like this, if you see, then what we can say means in infinity, some of the in infinity level, up to infinity level we can go. We can go to up to infinity level we can take, sir. So in the infinity level, some of the electrons will be there. So electrons present like this, sir. Electrons present in higher energy level. Electrons in higher energy level. Electrons in higher energy level is stable, shall we say, or unstable, shall we say. Electrons present in higher energy level in the sense stable or unstable. Electrons present in higher energy level means those electrons are okay, those electrons are unstable. So unstable in the sense they will go for de-excitation, shall we say. Unstable, you said they are going for de-excitation. So they are going for de-excitation in the sense they are jumping to lower energy level. They are jumping to lower energy level, we can say. So they are jumping to lower energy level in the sense what is the possibility? What is the possibility of jumping into lower energy level? Okay, one possibility we can say that suppose electron present in fourth level. Electron present in fourth level, it is jumping to lower energy level means one possibility, it directly jumps to first level. This is one possibility. This n is equal to electron present in fourth level, it is in higher energy level. Therefore it is not having this has lower stability. Therefore it is going for de-excitation. So it is jumping to lower energy level. So possibilities, what means this electron directly can jump to first level, sir. What is another possibility means this electron can jump to third level, can come to third level. From third level it jumps to first level, like this also possible. How it is? It is nature. Suppose we are climbing the staircase. We are climbing the staircase means you think and say correctly, do we climb up staircase exactly one by one every time? Sometimes two steps at a time, sometimes three steps at a time, isn't it? This is the nature, no? Sometimes one by one also, one step afterwards another step, afterwards another step, like this. Similarly, when we are coming down from first floor to ground floor, how we are coming down? Step by step, otherwise two steps at a once, isn't it? Like this only, this also. So this electron, the electron present in fourth level may jump to third level, then it will jump to first level. Like this also it can jump. Otherwise it can jump from fourth level to third level, then third level to second level, then second level to first level it can jump. It may jump in any way, it can jump. Okay, so now we will take a electron present in fourth level. An electron present in fourth level means its energy is 0.8 electron volt. It is jumping directly to first level. It is jumping directly to first level. Now energy is minus 13.6 electron volt. Now you say, when this electron jump from fourth level to first level directly, will it emit radiation or will it absorb radiation, you say? Okay, so you are saying that it emits quantum. It emits quantum. What is the energy of quantum? what is the energy of quantum it will emit, because it is coming from higher energy level to lower energy level, so that it is emitting quantum. Okay, it is emitting quantum means what is the energy of this, what is the energy of this one. Okay, this is a hydrogen atom. In the hydrogen atom, one electron, we are considering correctly one electron. This electron present in fourth level, its energy is how much means minus 0.8 electron volt. It is jumping directly to first level, while the energy is minus 13.6 electron volt. During jumping, it is emitting quantum. This has emitted what is the energy in the sense 12.8 electron volt. It is one quantum is emitted. Now we will consider for 5 hydrogen atoms. We will take 5 hydrogen atoms. 5 hydrogen atoms. In 5 hydrogen atoms, we are assuming that electrons present in exactly fourth level. In 5 hydrogen atoms, electrons present in exactly fourth level. All these electrons at a time jumping into first level. All these electrons at a time jumping into first level. In the first level energy, you know, for fourth level energy, you know. Now you say that here energy is emitted. Do you say one quantum is emitted, or do you say 5 quanta emitted? 5 quanta emitted. What do you say? Now we are assuming that in the hydrogen lamp, 5 hydrogen atoms. For 5 hydrogen atoms, electron present exactly in fourth level. All these 5 electrons at a time jumping into first level. At a time jumping into first level. It is possible practically. When we are climbing up the staircase also, you might have seen both sometimes two members at a time climbing up the staircase by talking with each other. In the same manner, one person is climbing 2 steps at a time, means another person also will climb two steps at a time, isn't it? So that you are saying 5 quanta emitted. Sir, 5 quanta emitted means each quantum is having how much energy, means 12.8 electron volt. Okay, each quantum is having how much energy, means 12.8 electron volt, we can say. Sir, now the electron present in fourth level will take, we are taking hydrogen atom. In the hydrogen atom, electron present in fourth level will take, that the fourth level electron is jumping in what way, means it is jumping in what way, means first it is jumping into third level. Okay, then it is jumping into first level, like this it is jumping. Okay, now it is jumping from fourth level to third level to first level, it is jumping. Now you say that how many quanta emitted? How many quanta are emitted by the electron? How many quanta are emitted by the electron? How many quanta? How many quanta? I am not asking energy of quantum. How many quanta? How many number of quanta is emitted? This only one electron, only one electron. It is in fourth level. It is first it is jumping into third level. After some time it is jumping from third level to first level. So it is emitting 2 quanta, we can say. They are having different energies. The quanta are having different energies, we can say. Okay. Now electron present in fourth level. It is first it is jumping into third level. After some time it is jumping into second level. After some time it is jumping into first level. Finally it came to first level. So electron jump, the electron present in fourth level, first it jumps to third level. Then it is jumping to second level. Then it is jumping to first level. Now you are saying that 3 quanta are emitted. 3 quanta are emitted, you are saying. They are having different energies. Sorry, okay. Now we will take this hydrogen lamp we are taking. In this hydrogen lamp, what is there, means hydrogen gas is present. Hydrogen gas is present. Hydrogen gas consists of what, means hydrogen molecules. Hydrogen, many molecules will be there. These hydrogen molecules absorbing quanta and converting into hydrogen atoms. These hydrogen atoms are absorbing quanta, therefore they are going for excitation. In excitation, what is the possible, means different higher energy levels possible. different higher energy levels possible. Sir, different higher energy levels possible, we said. Now we will take a first level. In the first level, some electrons might be there. In second level, some electrons might be there. In third level, some electrons might be there. In fourth level, some electrons might be there. Like this, infinity level, some electrons might be there. Now, let us see proportion of electrons. Proportion of electrons we will see in these levels. First level we need not take because it is ground state. We will leave it. Now we will take n is equal to 2 to n is equal to infinity. We will take n is equal to 2 to n is equal to infinity. These levels we will take. Here higher energy levels means these are higher energy levels. These are higher energy levels, we can say. What is the proportion of electrons in these levels? What is the proportion of electrons in these levels? What is the proportion? What is the proportion of electrons? What is the proportion of electrons in these levels, do you say? In these levels. Sir, you are saying that constant. You are saying that the proportion is constant, you are saying. Proportion is constant over say. Sorry, okay. Which one is correct? Whether it is correct or wrong, we will check it. Sir, we will consider a running race. We will consider running race. Running race in the sense, suppose 1,000 people are there. 1,000 people participated in the running race. All the people are standing like this. Okay, it is a starting time. They are standing at zero. Initial is 0. Okay, they are starting at initial place. Everybody is standing. Those who want to participate in running race, they are standing in the initial place. It is a final level. It is a final place. Okay. Now time is started. They can run. Okay, in the running race, time is started. They can run. They are running. For example, this distance will take us 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer running race. They are running. Now, how much time means? Now 5 minutes over. 5 minutes over. At this 5 minutes, okay, we will take a 0.2 kilometer distance, 0.4 kilometer distance, 0.6 kilometer distance, 0.8 kilometer distance, 1 kilometer distance. Now you say, can we say proportion of people in all these distances when time 5 minutes over is same, shall we say? Here, some people will be standing at 0.2 kilometer, no doubt. Even at 0.1 kilometer also, some people will be standing when 5 minutes over. Some people reached 0.1 kilometer. Some people might have reached 0.2 kilometer. Some people might have reached 0.3, 0.4 kilometer, like this. Okay. So shall we say all the people might have reached, might have been at only one place. Otherwise, number of people in different places will be equal. This we cannot say. Number of people in different places will be equal. It is not possible practically. All the people at particular distance also not possible. That means different proportions of people will be there at different distances. But one we can judge in this one. Proportion of people will be high in which distance, that we can judge. So that you judge and say proportion of people will be high in which distance, at a lower distance or higher distance. What shall we say? Generally we will talk. Okay, generally we will talk proportion of people will be high in which distance, at lower distance or what? In general, proportion of people will be high. Proportion of people will be high in which distance? At lower distance. At lower distance, shall we say, or at a higher distance, shall we say? At higher distance. So you are saying that at lower distance. Same concept apply in hydrogen lamp also. That is also taken from nature only. No? This running race means it is living things. Hydrogen gas is non-living. But that is also nature, how we are existing in the nature, like that only, that is also no. So now you think that we have taken a hydrogen lamp. In the hydrogen lamp, we are passing current. So we are giving energy. How living things taking food for energy, like this for hydrogen lamp, we are giving energy in the form of current. When you are passing current, you will pass constant voltage only. Suppose AC you are passing means fluctuation will be there, but fluctuation will not vary much. So you are passing current, that hydrogen gas taking that current, molecules taking quanta, converting into atoms, therefore excitation, therefore electrons going to different higher energy levels, no doubt. Why electrons going to different higher energy levels means some electrons might have absorbed many quanta, some electrons might have absorbed lower number of quanta, any possibility is there. Therefore, different number of electrons present in a different higher energy levels. Now, proportion, how it will be there? What is your idea regarding proportion in these levels where proportion will be highest? Proportion of electrons will be highest among these levels. Which one? What is the proportion of electrons in these levels means different, we can say. Okay, proportion of electrons in these levels is what means different. Sir, proportion of electrons in these levels is what means different, we can say. Where proportion is highest, where proportion is highest, we can say. Proportion is highest in which place? Do you say exactly second level, or third level, or fourth level, or infinity level, or will you say no doubt lower level? Lower level means one we need not take, it is ground state, you leave it. We are talking about higher energy levels. Higher energy levels means take from 2. Take from 2. Okay. So normally if you say, generally if you say, proportion will be highest in particularly second, will you say, or third, or fourth, or infinity, when nothing is mentioned. Nothing is mentioned means regarding voltage, this thing regarding any other external facts not mentioned. Simply asked. Simply question is asked. Where proportion is highest? Like this, simply asked. Okay, so one student says infinity in proportion is highest in infinity. So one student says n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Proportion is highest in n is equal to 2. So where proportion is highest in the sense, how you are saying in the sense, proportion is highest to infinity. You are saying that answer means what is that meaning? Do you know? In the running race, 1,000 people participating. At 5 minutes, most of the people in 1 kilometer distance, like this you are saying. One student says infinity answer, how this is there means, suppose 1,000 people participating in the running race. Okay. Now, we need not mention time. Time we need not mention. Okay. Running race distance is how much means 1 kilometer. Now, running race is over means somebody might have come to final stage. Final stage. Therefore, we said running race over. Now, how your one student says infinity means how it is there means most of the people came to this place. Most of the people came to this place when running race is over. Like that, your answer is there. So, is it possible? You think? So, in the 1,000 people participated in running race in the sense, most of the people when running race is just over at that time. Here, how many people will be there? Correctly, one person will be there. Correctly, exactly one person will be there. Otherwise, sometimes maybe 2% may be there. This itself rare. 2% itself rare. Can we say most of the people are present here? Can we say most of the people reached this place? Can we say it is practically we have not seen so far. We have not here so and so far. Therefore, we can say At infinity is not possible. Second level is possible, we can say. Most proportion will be there in a second level. Then in third level, proportion is somewhat less. In fourth level, proportion is still less. Like this, it will go on decrease. It will go on decrease, we can say. So how the proportion is there? We came to know it. Then this higher energy level electrons. Now higher energy level electrons, higher energy levels. In higher energy levels, different proportions electrons present. They are going for de-excitation. They are going for de-excitation. Due to de-excitation, quanta is emitted. Quanta is emitted. Now you say energy of quanta emitted during de-excitation. Energy of quanta emitted during de-excitation. Energy of quanta emitted during de-excitation is one possibility. Different energies, same energies, same energy. Energy of quanta emitted during de-excitation is a different energy, shall we say, or same energy, shall we say, or unable to predict, shall we say. Unable to predict, shall we say. What do you say? Now, electrons present in higher energy levels. What is the proportion also we can say? So these electrons are having lower stability. They are going for different de-excitation. So de-excitation, how it is possible that you know? So they are emitting different energy quanta. Different energies quanta they are emitting. Okay. So they are emitting different energies and same energies you are saying. Okay. You are saying same, and one student says different energies and same energies you are saying. That is in the point of view, what means suppose many number of electrons may be jumping from second level to first level. All will emit same quanta, same energy quantum only, no? So that you are saying same energies. Okay, that is also correct. So what you said, that is correct. Same energy quanta, different energy quanta, both are possible. Sir, now we will take a, now we took a hydrogen lamp. Hydrogen lamp we are taking. This hydrogen lamp is emitting radiation. This radiation is passed through the slit. This radiation is passed through slit, then it is passed through prism. Then it is going for dispersion. Then the emergent rays is focused to our photographic plate, and we are getting spectrum. That spectrum is called hydrogen spectrum. Okay, we got hydrogen spectrum. Now you say, in the hydrogen spectrum, how many spectral lines will be there? How many spectral lines will be there? How many spectral lines will be there? That means, shall we say number of spectral lines exactly one? Number of spectral lines in generally we are talking, just we gave hydrogen spectrum. Okay, we did not mention particularly